right, we're going to get right into weather. I know we have some frost coming up.
Yes.
It's a little weird for me, but
yeah, it's going to be a cool weekend. We'll get to that, but it is Thursday, which means it's drought monitor day. So every Thursday night going forward till we get out of this thing, we're going to update you on the status of the drought monitor. This was updated this morning. It's updated every Thursday morning, collecting data through the last week, but also there are observers who take note and submit all that data to the organization that puts this out through the government. And you can see that the severe drought has expanded now all the way south into York County, and that stripe of red, that's considered extreme. From the Belgrade Lakes back through the Oxford Hills and into the Mount Washington Valley. This is a real issue. On Facebook today, I've heard from people who have personal wells at their homes, and some are going dry. There is a reporting site. If you just Google Maine well survey, you can report if your well has gone dry, and that's something that a lot of people are going to be dealing with, I think, in the weeks ahead, because I don't see this pattern changing, at least in the near term. A secondary issue for tomorrow, there is an elevated risk for brush fires, especially in eastern and northern Maine, where there's this fire weather watch, but I think it goes for just about all of us tomorrow. And that's because new air is coming in, and it's not only cool air, it's also dry air. So we'll have lots of sunshine through the weekend, but the brush fire risk will be up. 60s out there tonight. It's fairly mild. That's because we're out ahead of a cold front, and when this front comes through tomorrow, cooler air will begin moving in, but it really won't make it to the coast until tomorrow evening. So you still manage a warm day in southern Maine. 6 o'clock in the morning, 50s to around 60 for most of us. But as we go through the day, you can see where it's mildest. Coastline and southern Maine, much cooler to the north. I think if you're in the mountains in northern Maine, it's a different feeling day tomorrow with highs only in the 60s, while southern Maine will make it to between 70 and 75. Then that cool high settles over us Saturday morning and Sunday morning, and that's a recipe for frost, I think especially Sunday morning. That said though, even though both mornings will be cool, the afternoons will be really nice. Highs on Saturday in the 60s. Again, it's a chilly start on Sunday. There could be some upper 20s in spots, but the afternoon really nice with temperatures back into the 60s and maybe even near 70 in parts of western Maine and New Hampshire. So we'll take a look at your 7-day forecast, and let's speed the computer up. Here it comes for you. This is your inland forecast, and again, tomorrow's bright and breezy. The weekend is sunny, but it is going to be cooler. Highs will be in the 60s. Coastal lows probably around 40, but as I switch to the inland forecast, you'll see we've got some 30s on there for both Saturday and for Sunday. Fall begins on Monday. Autumnal equinox are back into the 70s, and Bailey, the next chance for rain Tuesday into Wednesday, but it's just a front with not much. We'll talk more about that in a bit, and also about when we typically get our first freeze, 32-degree day.
Oh no.
There will be some good info for you coming up.
I'm scared, yeah. Thank you.